Good morning, I'm Cristina Reyes-Carmona, and I'm going to present our work where we made use of the Geohazards Exploitation platform to evaluate its potential for landslide detection and monitoring. First of all, the Geohazards Exploitation platform is a web-based platform developed by the European Space Agency through users can perform independent analysis by exploiting satellite data. This platform hosts several thematic apps that allow to identify, monitor, and assess hazards related to geological processes such as volcanism, landslide, or subsidence. The CNR IREA SBAS ground motion services is one of these thematic apps that consists of a DINSAR processing chain for the generation of the formation time series and mean velocity maps. This service exploits Sentinel-1 satellite images and provides results in just 1 or 2 days. This is how the service looks like. We just have to define the study area, to select the images for the analysis, and just to handle with a few processing parameters such as the reference or control point and the coherence threshold. Thus, we perform several DINSAR analyses through this GEP tool in southern Spain, and we use the mean loss velocity data. Such information can be handled in Google Earth and in a GIS, and pixel resolution of each velocity point is 90 meters. So, we use this service with two main purposes. The first one was validation from other DINSAR results. Thus, we compare already published DINSAR results with those obtained by this GEP service. And then we could validate this GEP service as a reliable tool for landslide monitoring and detection. And the second purpose was exploration of new areas. We obtained DINSAR results in an explored area where there is no previous DINSAR data related to landslide activity, and thus we were able to evaluate whether or not it is worth doing further research using DINSAR techniques in this area. According to the part 1 of validation, we selected the case of study of the Reyes Reservoir located in southern Spain. This is the DINSAR velocity map obtained from Reyes-Carmona 2020. The authors detected two active landslides in the slopes reservoir, the Arrecife landslide and the Reyes Viaduct landslide. And these are the GEP results of the same area, where we can see that the Arrecife landslide were detected in the ascending orbit and also in the descending orbit. And the Reyes Viaduct landslide were also detected in the descending orbit processing. So these are satisfactory results for us. According to the second part of exploration, we selected Sierra Nevada, also located in southern Spain. That is a mountainous range with very high topographic gradients and where slope instability processes are abundant. Despite of this, any DINSAR analysis have been done up to date here related to landslide activity. So we use this GEP tool to present the first DINSAR results of the area. This is an ascending processing where we can see different active landslides and even mega landslides. And this is the descending orbit results that we obtain, where we can also detect several active landslides. So our conclusions are that we have validated this service by comparing the obtained results with previously published data. We also think that it's a very useful tool to obtain preliminary DINSAR data in unexplored areas. The main advantage of this GEP service is that it provides results in just 1 or 2 days, what makes possible to perform very quick analysis. The main disadvantage is that the user cannot control almost any processing parameter, but overall we consider that the CNR IREA SBAS GEP service has satisfactorily proven its effectiveness and reliability for DINSAR analysis related to landslide detection and monitoring. Thank you so much for your attention.